We have been told a lie about the siren. It does not beg for attention. The siren didn't lure men because she was loud. She became a void in the chaos, and human nature cannot resist a void. Most people are terrified of silence. Watch two people on a date or in a meeting. When a pause hits, they panic, they babble, they over-explain. They spill their secrets just to stop the quiet from consuming them. This is where the siren feeds. She understands the law of the vacuum. If you stay silent, the other person must fill the space. They will tell you their insecurities. They will try to impress you. They will hand you the power just to make the silence stop. Stop trying to be interesting. Be the empty space. Be the mirror. Let them project their fantasies onto you simply because you refuse to speak first. Anxiety moves fast. The nice girl moves fast. She fidgets. She checks her phone. She laughs too quickly at jokes that aren't funny. Her body language screams, "Please like me." The siren moves at half speed. This is a biological hack. Predators move slowly because they are not afraid of being eaten. Prey moves quickly because they are terrified. When you slow down your blinking, when you turn your head like you are moving through water, you trigger a primal instinct in the people watching you. You signal that you are the predator, you are the prize. Try the 3-second gaze. When someone finishes speaking, wait 3 seconds before you reply. Watch how they squirm. Watch how they chase your approval. You cannot drown the ocean. The surface may be choppy. There may be storms, arguments, and chaos. But the siren resides in the deep water. This is the art of detachment. When someone tries to provoke you, or guilt trip you, or ignore you, imagine you are sinking to the bottom of the ocean. You hear them, but they sound muffled. They are miles away. The nice girl reacts to everything. She is easily triggered. The siren feels everything, but reacts to nothing. Her silence is an unbreachable wall, and that is what makes her dangerous. You do not need to shout to be heard. You do not need to explain yourself to be understood. The most powerful thing you can do today is nothing. Stop chasing. Stop explaining. Become the void, and watch the world come to you. If this resonated with you, you're already one of us.